Hi, so I'm just potting up my dahlias, and I've got quite a few dahlias in this box. They all seem to have done okay. I put them in some peat moss because it was the only thing I could find, and I use a lot of it, so it was cheap. So I put it in peat moss, and it seems to have done the trick. I don't really have too much shriveling going on, so that's good. Look at this. For this bad boy. So that did very well. All right, and then I'm going to pot up this guy for you. If I can find it. There it is. This guy here, or I can do this guy here. So anyway, I wanted to show you about potting up dahlias. So when you pot up a dahlia, you have to have this little nubby thing on it here. If you don't have that, it's not going to grow into a dahlia. It needs to have that nubby thing because that's where the buds come from. And you can pot up your dahlias even though they don't have buds on it. But you should do it around March, I think. This one's looking all right here. Let me see if I can find one without that little nubby on. And oh, here's another one with a nubby on. So I'm all right with that. But if you don't have that nubby one, I think there's someone somewhere around here without one on, but I can't find it now. But anyway, I'll show you when I get to it. All right. So anyway, here's my dahlia. It is Lady Darlene. We're gonna pot this up now. What I've done is I got a wheelbarrow full of soil. It's just easier that way. Oh, here's one. Here's one without a nubby. So because this one doesn't have a nubby, it's not going to grow into a dahlia. Okay. So just to let you know. All right, so here is a wheelbarrow full of soil. I got potting soil, and I've added some sand to help with drainage because this is kind of peaty. You don't want it too peaty. And then also I put in some bone meal just to help the roots grow. The bone meal really helps the roots grow. So anyway, bone meal, second number highest. And that makes the second number highest because that makes the roots grow. Okay. All right. So here we go. I'm going to put this away on the ground, and here I've got this dahlia. Now get a pot that's going to fit all the roots, but don't make it so it's a huge pot. Right. So put some of this in. And then here's your dahlia. And I'm leaving that stem on. Gonna make it flat against the ground there, soil I mean. And then add some more soil. And when you add more soil in it, put it down around the roots. And that's about it, really. Give it a drink, and then put your dahlias. Oh, don't forget to put your name tag in there, and then put it in a place where it's sunny and where it doesn't get hit by any frost. Okay, so sunny. If you don't put them in a place where it's sunny, where they've got light, they'll get all leggy. So make sure you put it where it's got some sunlight. Okay. All right. Okay, and that's it then. All right, back to more dahlia potting. I've got lots. All right.